How we doing, outdoor adventurers? Today we're making tahini paste. Pretty easy. Get some sesame seeds, stick them in a pan over a low to medium heat. Don't let them brown. They will burn quite quickly and it won't taste very good, so obviously that's not what we're looking for. The aim is just to give them a light toasting. After that, stick them in a food processor or a blender. Obviously a food processor would be much easier, and this blender wasn't particularly good at it, but you know, we just may do with what we've got here. As you're blending it up, you might want to add a bit of water here. I added 3 tablespoons of water and then did another 3 a bit later on, just to loosen up the mixture and allow it to blend into a nice creamy paste. Normally when you're making tahini paste you would add a neutral oil. However, as we're going to use this in dehydrating recipes, we try not to add any oil, as when you dehydrate it, it won't store well and will go rancid. Alright, so we'll stick a little bit more of the water in there and give it a whirl. There we go. Once you finish blending it up, you should have a nice creamy paste, which will be an excellent addition to many recipes such as hummus or baba ghanoush. And this will certainly add a nice variety to your backpacking lunch repertoire. Till next time folks, enjoy.